So for a team sport player, it's really important to have a really balanced meal. So they're going to need really high carbs so that they can fuel themselves throughout the whole game. And there's also like lots of repeated sprints and stuff. So throughout their training week, they're going to have a lot of sessions in the gym, and they need to be like recovering well with lots of protein and stuff. And then also obviously fruit and veg, really important to get in. So it's really good for your immune system. So they need to be having lots of fruit and veg a day. So their general plate, they always want to be having carbs, protein, and then lots of colour from different fruit and veg.
We've done a lot of stuff recently on making sure that we've eaten enough carbs, because in the training environment and being at Bisham and 2-hour pitch sessions, actually we always have been amazed that you need a lot more than you think almost.
I do struggle with eating chocolate a bit, but I love like a chili con carne, a hearty like meals.
For the chili, traditionally in Central America, Mexico, chili, the primary flavors are cumin and smokiness. But we used onions and garlic, obviously, to start with the corn. Cumin, oregano. I would sometimes use dried coriander, sometimes I don't, but coriander's a funny one, isn't it? It's like Marmite, people either like it or they don't. So, and a bit of passata for the tomato product, because I like using passata because there's no seeds in it, and it's quite a smooth product, and I pretty much use passata in almost any tomato-based sauce or product that we've got at the AC. But I used smoked paprika. I used a bit of chocolate. I used very dark chocolate. So you get a bit of bitterness, but you also get a bit of sweetness. It's just an easy, very versatile product. It provides you all the nutrients you need in a tasty, fun manner and convenient manner as well. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's really important they're just getting in lots of carbs and stuff. So hearty food is a really good way to do that. So something like a burrito with loads of rice in, it's a good source of complex carbs. And then you can also chuck in loads of veg and protein as well to make it a really balanced, nutritious meal.